Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make berry mousse. First, gather your ingredients: fresh or frozen berries, heavy cream, and sugar. You'll also need a little lemon juice for brightness. Begin by pureeing your chosen berries until smooth, then strain them to remove any seeds for a silky texture. Next, whip your heavy cream until it forms soft, fluffy peaks, ready for mixing. Now, carefully fold the strained berry puree into your whipped cream. Be gentle to maintain that airy texture. A small squeeze of lemon juice will really brighten the berry flavors, making your mousse even more delicious. Once combined, spoon the mixture into individual serving glasses or a large bowl. Then, refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours to allow it to set beautifully. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It's a simple way to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link for this and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. When your berry mousse is perfectly chilled and set, it's time to serve. For an elegant touch, garnish each serving with a few fresh berries or a delicate sprig of mint. Individual glasses make for a lovely presentation. Feel free to get creative with your berry choices. A mix of raspberries and blueberries, for example, offers a delightful flavor profile. Enjoy this light and refreshing dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.